If you've been researching Barndominium kits online, you've probably seen prices that look almost too good to be true. $40,000 for a home, sometimes less. And you're sitting there wondering if these numbers are real or if there's a catch. There's a catch, a big one. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what it is before you spend a single dollar. I'm also breaking down the 10 most affordable Barndominium kit options available in 2026, what's actually included in each price, what you'll still need to spend after the kit arrives, and which kit type is genuinely the best value for your specific situation. Stay until the end, because the hidden cost section is what separates the people who build their barndo on budget from the ones who run out of money before they move in. Welcome to Homes and Haven. Hit subscribe right now before we get into this. We break down real Barndominium costs and honest decisions every single week. No fluff, no sponsorships. Let's get into it. Before we get to any specific kits or companies, I need to make sure you understand the most important number in the entire Barndominium kit conversation, because getting this wrong is the reason so many first-time buyers end up blindsided. Industry standards widely accept that the structural shell of a Barndominium accounts for roughly 20 to 30% of the completed residential build. That leaves the remaining 70 to 75% for site work, foundation, utilities, insulation, and interior finishes. That means when you see a kit advertised for $40,000, you are looking at approximately 25 cents of every dollar you will ultimately spend. The other 75 cents, the foundation, the insulation, the electrical, the plumbing, the HVAC, the interior finishes, all of that comes after the kit price, and none of it is included. Barndominium kit prices run $20 to $35 per square foot for materials only. That includes plans and materials for the exterior walls, roof trusses, metal siding, roofing, and trim. Labor to assemble the kit on-site costs an additional $10 to $15 per square foot. Every element of a prefab Barndominium kit is labeled for easy assembly on-site, with some companies including a 3D model for installation guidance. Once the shell is erected, the inside is empty and ready for finish work. So the honest framing for everything we're about to cover is this. The kit price is the starting gun, not the finish line. A $40,000 kit does not become a $60,000 finished home. It becomes a $160,000 to $280,000 finished home, depending on your region, your finish level, and who does the work. Keep that math in your head for every single kit we talk about today. Not all Barndominium kits are the same product. There are 3 distinct types available in 2026, and the differences between them affect cost, assembly difficulty, performance, and what you get in the package. Red iron kits include structural steel, 26-gauge PBR metal siding, and 26-gauge metal roof panels. Red iron requires cutting and welding on-site and needs a professional welding crew for assembly. This is not a DIY system. Cold-formed steel kits include the shell, interior framing, siding, roofing, windows, and exterior doors. The panels are labeled, allowing most people with general construction knowledge to assemble them, and they come pre-drilled for electrical and plumbing runs. This is the most DIY accessible of the 3 systems. SIP kits, which stands for Structural Insulated Panels, are built around thick exterior panels that combine structural wall and roof structure with an integrated insulation core all in one. Because the insulation is built into the panel itself, SIPs deliver excellent thermal performance straight out of the box. Depending on the package you select, SIP kits can be bundled with windows, exterior doors, siding, and roofing, but the core product is the insulated structural perimeter, not a fully finished interior package. SIP installation requires specialized experience to ensure panels are properly sealed and aligned, and they carry a higher kit price than red iron or cold-formed steel. Regardless of which type you choose, no Barndominium kit price includes the foundation, construction labor beyond what's specifically noted, or interior finish work. And one important buyer warning before we move on. Some sellers advertise building prices starting at $9,000 to $12,000. These almost always refer to basic tubular carport-style frames with no engineering documentation and panels that don't meet most local residential building codes. If you need a permitted residential structure, expect to pay at least $18,000 or more for the kit alone. Kit 1. Carport Central. Carport Central is one of the most accessible entry points into barndominium kit ownership in 2026, particularly for buyers who want a basic shell at the lowest possible price point. Their official catalog lists raw barndominium shell prices right in the $20 to $31 per square foot range. They provide over 100 shell-only barndominium kits that can be customized with a variety of accessories and add-ons, including doors, windows, siding, insulation, and 16+ color options. For a standard 30 by 40 footprint, that puts the basic shell kit in the $24,000 to $37,000 range for materials. For a 40 by 60, you're looking at approximately $46,000 to $74,000 for the shell. The honest limitation here is that Carport Central's core business is carports and basic metal structures, not residential-grade barndominium systems. Their kits work well for buyers who understand exactly what they're getting, a basic metal shell that they'll need to finish out completely, and who have contractor relationships in place to handle the interior build-out. This is a kit for someone who has done their homework, not a turnkey solution for a first-time builder. Kit 2. General Steel Buildings. General Steel is one of the most established names in the steel kit market and one of the more transparent companies on pricing. Their baseline building systems for a standard barndominium layout sit within the $20 to $31 per square foot range, and they widely promote their 50-year structural warranty on every build. A 40 by 40 starting kit runs $22,000 to $28,000. General Steel provides the building shell, which consists of the primary and secondary framing, sheeting, and fasteners. Kits can be outfitted with interior and exterior accessories including insulation, windows, doors, and different types of siding. Their pre-engineering process uses 100% American-made steel that adheres to the industry's most stringent technical specifications, and buildings are engineered to local wind and snow loads specific to your location. For buyers who value engineering documentation, American-made steel, and a company with a long track record, General Steel consistently performs well. Their 30 by 42 bedroom kit is one of the more popular starter options in their catalog, and their 40 by 63 bedroom configuration is their highest volume seller. Get a quote directly from their site, as pricing is location specific based on your local wind and snow load requirements. Kit 3. Worldwide Steel Buildings. Worldwide Steel Buildings is a manufacturer direct company, meaning they build their own kits in their own factory rather than brokering from a third party, and that distinction matters for quality control and pricing consistency. A standard baseline residential barndominium shell package with sheet metal walls, roof, and trim from Worldwide Steel starts in the $20 to $35 per square foot range, which is consistent with a market standard for a properly engineered residential kit. A smaller 30 by 48 by 10 foot configuration runs approximately $23,600 before custom add-ons. All buildings carry a 50-year guarantee covering all components and connectors. Their 40 by 40 barndominium kit delivers 1,600 square feet of interior space with a clean, barn-style exterior, steel framing, and an open concept clearspan interior. Every kit is customizable with options for windows, doors, insulation, exterior colors, trim, roof style, and framed openings. Worldwide Steel has also partnered with banks to provide financing options to customers, which is a meaningful differentiator given how challenging barndominium construction, lending, can be for first-time buyers. Their reputation is solidly mid-tier on price and upper-tier on quality control, which makes them one of the most recommended manufacturers for buyers who want confidence in their kit without paying a premium brand markup. Kit 4. Mueller Inc. Mueller Incorporated is a Texas-based manufacturer with decades of experience building steel structures, and they have a particularly strong presence in the southern states where barndominium culture is most established. Their Homestead series is specifically engineered as a clear-span residential shell for barndominiums, recreational retreats, cabins, and steel living spaces. The series is offered in 1,200, 1,800, and 2,400 square foot footprints designed specifically for residential use rather than repurposed commercial designs. Steel building kits from Mueller are resistant to fire, hail, and termites, and many feature paint warranties for up to 45 years. A 40 by 40 kit from Mueller typically runs $24,000 to $30,000 for the shell package, consistent with their regional pricing brackets. Mueller manufactures all of their steel in the United States, and for buyers in Texas and surrounding states, where Mueller has strong contractor relationships and delivery infrastructure, their kits offer competitive pricing with a regional support network that matters when you need help during the build. Kit 5. My Barndo Plans. My Barndo Plans occupies a specific and valuable niche in the kit market. They combine custom architectural plans with kit sourcing, which solves a problem most pure kit companies don't address. Every Barndominium kit from My Barndo Plans is engineered specifically for your build site, with stamped drawings, anchor bolt plans, and a foundation layout designed to meet local codes. They offer red iron kits with structural steel, 26-gauge PBR metal siding, and 26-gauge metal roof panels, as well as cold-form steel kits that include the shell, interior framing, siding, roofing, windows, and exterior doors with pre-drilled panels for electrical and plumbing runs. The site-specific engineering stamps included with their kits are a significant advantage for buyers in jurisdictions with strict permitting requirements, where a generic kit without local engineering documentation can get stuck in the permit process for months. In a construction loan context, permit delays translate directly into saved or lost interest costs, which makes this feature more financially valuable than its upfront cost suggests. The finished cost to complete a home using their kits runs $80 to $300 per square foot, depending on finish level and region, consistent with the broader market. Their red iron kits require a professional welding crew for assembly and are not a DIY system, so buyers should budget for professional erection costs separately. Kits 6 through 10, the broader market options. Beyond the 5 companies we've covered in detail, the Barndominium kit market includes a wide range of regional manufacturers and national brokers that round out the full top 10 landscape. Here's an honest overview. Steel kits across the broader market are priced between $20 and $35 per square foot on average for 2026. The most popular sizes include 40 by 60 at 2,400 square feet running $40,000 to $76,000 for the shell kit, 30 by 50 at 1,500 square feet running $30,000 to $52,500, 50 by 60 at 3,000 square feet running $60,000 to $105,000, and 60 by 80 at 4,800 square feet, where larger custom designs can exceed $100,000 for the package components alone. Armstrong Steel, American Steel Carports, Buildings Guides Manufacturer Network, and strong regional post-frame builders in Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, and Tennessee all provide kit options in the $20 to $35 per square foot shell range. Regional manufacturers often offer competitive pricing and faster delivery than national companies because they're closer to the end customer and have existing local contractor networks. The critical distinction to make in this part of the market is between a manufacturer and a broker. A manufacturer builds their own steel and ships directly to you. A broker takes your order and sources the kit from a manufacturer, adding a markup without adding meaningful service value. Always ask directly, do you manufacture this kit in your own facility, or do you source it from a third party? The answer affects both your price and your recourse if there are quality problems with the delivered kit. What the kit price does not include: the complete cost picture. This is the section that matters more than any specific kit price we've discussed, because understanding what isn't in the kit is what determines whether your project stays on budget. Beyond the kit itself, every Barndominium build requires the land, site prep, a foundation, utilities, and complete interior and exterior finishing. A concrete slab foundation costs $6 to $14 per square foot. HVAC installation runs $7,000 to $16,000 for a new system with ductwork. Drywall installation costs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. Spray foam insulation costs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area. Flooring runs $4 to $15 plus per square foot installed. Kitchen cabinets cost $4,500 to $15,000. Adding utilities to a vacant rural lot costs $9,000 to $34,500 plus, depending on local services available. Let's stack those numbers on a real example. Take a 40 by 60 shell kit at $50,000, which is solidly mid-market for a 2,400 square foot kit in 2026. The concrete slab at $6 to $14 per square foot adds $14,400 to $33,600. Site prep, including grading and drainage, adds $5,000 to $15,000. Kit erection labor at $10 to $15 per square foot adds $24,000 to $36,000. Closed cell spray foam insulation for a 2-inch pass at $3.40 to $6 per square foot adds $8,000 to $14,400 on wall and roof surfaces. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC combined add $25,000 to $45,000. Interior finishes including drywall, flooring, cabinets, and fixtures add $40,000 to $100,000 depending on finish level. Utility connections for a rural property add $9,000 to $50,000 depending on distance from existing infrastructure. Total all-in cost for that $50,000 kit, $175,000 to $344,000 for a finished, move-in ready home. That is the honest number. Owner builders who manage the finish work themselves and do significant portions of the labor can complete a Barndominium for $80 to $120 per square foot, but it requires substantial time, hands-on skills, and willingness to manage a complex multi-trade project from start to finish. How to choose the right kit for your situation. Let's close with the practical decision framework, because the cheapest kit isn't always the best kit, and the best kit for your situation depends on factors specific to you. If your priority is the absolute lowest upfront kit cost, and you have strong DIY skills or existing contractor relationships, a basic shell kit from Carport Central or a regional manufacturer in the $20 to $25 per square foot range gives you the most starting point flexibility. You're buying a steel shell and building everything else yourself, or through your own subcontractor coordination. If your priority is quality engineering documentation and a company with a long track record and strong warranty, General Steel, Worldwide Steel, and Mueller are the names that consistently show up with verified customer satisfaction and clear 50-year structural warranty commitments. Their prices run $22,000 to $30,000 for a 40 by 40, and their engineering support during the build process has real value, particularly for first-time builders navigating permit submissions. If your property is in a region with strict local code requirements, getting site-specific engineering stamp from a company like My Barndo Plans can save weeks or months of permit delays, which in a construction loan context translates directly into saved interest costs that often exceed the cost of the stamps themselves. The home portion of a finished Barndominium runs $75 to $150 per square foot for the living space, and the unfinished garage or shop area costs $25 to $45 per square foot. A typical two-bedroom residence with 1,200 square feet of living space and a 1,200 square foot shop would cost between $120,000 and $240,000 to build complete. The single most important thing you can do before buying any kit is get contractor quotes for the complete finished build in your region before you commit to a kit. The kit price means nothing without knowing what the complete project will cost in your specific location, with your specific finish goals, using your local labor market rates. Get at least 3 contractor quotes before ordering. That step alone is the difference between a Barndominium that lands on budget and one that stalls halfway through construction. Welcome to Homes in Haven, and I'm really glad you stayed for the full breakdown. That's the honest, complete picture of the 10 most affordable Barndominium kit options in 2026. What's actually in each price, what you still need to spend, and how to choose the right kit for your specific situation. If this saved you from a budget surprise on your build, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps Homes in Haven reach more people who are in the early planning stages and need this information before they make a commitment. If you want more honest, detailed content on Barndominium costs, design, and building decisions every week, subscribe to Homes in Haven right now. Drop a comment and tell me, which kit company are you leaning toward, and what size are you planning? I read every comment, and your specific situation might become a future deep dive video on this channel. Thanks for watching. This has been Homes in Haven, and I'll see you in the next one.